Did you know that Kenyans, Ugandans, and Tanzanians usually pronounce English words differently?
You mean they pronounce words differently?
Yes.
Okay, use the word alcohol.
The word alcohol. Kenyans pronounce it as alcohol. Most Ugandans pronounce it as alcohol. While Tanzanians pronounce it as alcoholi. Kakangu njoo tukanywe alcoholi.
Use the word groundnuts.
The word groundnuts. Ugandans call it G-nuts or peanuts. While Kenyans call it groundnuts. While Tanzanians call it giraundinati. Dadangu njoo tukajienjoy na giraundinati.
Use the word examine.
The word examine. Most Kenyans pronounce it as examine, while Ugandans pronounce it as examine, while Tanzanians pronounce it as examaini. Hilo jambo tutalienda tukaliexamaini hapo kesho.
Okay, use the word determine.
The word determine. Most Kenyans pronounce it as determine, while Ugandans pronounce it as determine. And Tanzanians pronounce it as determaini. Kuongea kwangu mimi na wewe litaditamaini na mambo mengi sana.
The word combination.
The word combination. Most Ugandans pronounce it as combination, while Kenyans pronounce it as combination, and Tanzanians pronounce it as combinationi. Harusi ni combinationi kati ya watu wawili.
And what else?
Another thing that you should know, that in Kenya, letter R is loud. In Uganda, letter R is silent. While in Tanzania, letter R changes to be letter L.
For example,
let us talk about this country called Qatar. In Kenya, they pronounce it as Qatar.
Yes.
R is loud. In Uganda, they pronounce it as Qatar.
True.
R is silent. While in Tanzania, they pronounce it as Qatari.
Qatari.
R has changed to be L. For example, kesho mimi naenda zangu nchini Qatari.
Okay, let's use the word round.
The word round. The word round, Kenyans pronounce it as round. R is loud. Ugandans pronounce it as round. R